This is turmeric soap. It's supposed to be great for skin, so I thought, it, why not? I'm using olive oil and coconut oil, two of my favorite oils to mix, and you need all the regular soap stuff, your scale, your stick blender, your spatulas, your bowls, your cutter, and obviously turmeric. Just cheapo selection brand for me. It's something that I already had lying around, so I didn't even have to buy it. And trusty old soap mold. So weigh everything out. I'm just gonna throw the recipe in the comments. And yeah, soap safety 101. This is important. Add lye to water, not the other way around. It gets really hot. Do it outside if you can. Have lots of ventilation, don't eat it. Weigh out your oils. This is a blend of 75% coconut oil and 25% olive oil. And I believe it's super fatted to 20%. Cast a magic spell on it. Throw it in the microwave, heat it up, and it looked pretty cool. And then add your lye water in. I wanted a longer working time, so I heated it up quite a bit to keep it nice and thin. Stick blend it. Now is where it gets interesting. I was looking for a swirl and contrast of turmeric, so I split my batch into two, and then I added to one about 3 teaspoons per pound of oil and mix that up to get the dark color. You kind of just eyeball it, add it till you like the color. And then the other one, I went with about 1 teaspoon per pound of oil. So you can see it's already colored from the olive oil, and that made it darker than I wanted it, so I didn't get the contrast I was looking for. Anyway, these are the 2 colors I ended up with, and then I just poured them along the side. I wanted really thin layers of waves. Took a long time to pour. While I'm pouring, like, subscribe. Unless you don't like it, then definitely don't. Notifications are good, but you know, Fridays at noon. All right, so I got my pour done, and I did something on the top, don't ask. All right, so when I cut it, I wasn't really happy with how it turned out. The swirls are good, but just the finish isn't great, the color mix. So, round number 2. I made a lot of changes here. First off, 100% coconut oil out of 30% superfat. That'll give me better contrast. And then I pre-mixed the turmeric into a carrier oil, just like you would with micas. This is supposed to help it blend better into the oils. Does it make a difference? I still don't think it does. But you can see that the turmeric is reacting with the oil, and I think that's what's causing some of the issues with the finish. See those little bubbles? I'm not imagining this. I also tried adding turmeric directly into the lye water, which works great. No issues there at all. So add your lye water to your oils, blend it up, split your batch. Now add your darkened carrier oil into your darker colored oil, blend it. This worked a lot better overall. Way better contrast, reached trace a little quicker, mixed nicer, looks better. I mean, you could see the difference is night and day. Happy with this one. Lather's great, really creamy, nice and rich. Does it whiten your skin? We'll find out.